Hi everybody, welcome to a new video by Saqib Iqbal Digital, and in this video we will learn how to create photo manipulation in Canva. So you have seen a number of photos of photo manipulation in Photoshop, but you can also do in Canva. So what you can do, you just go to the Elements tab and search for frames. So there are a number of frames out there in front of me. Frames basically are just like the photo frames we hang on our walls. So for example, before photo manipulation, just I simple click on this circle frame, then I took any photo, for example this one, and I simple drop it in the middle of the frame, and it is available in the frame right now. Let me make the background in the black color. So this photo is right now in the frame of circle shape. So we need to learn how to do manipulation, photo manipulation. So I go to the Elements tab and I search for frame. So just scroll down, and you can find a number of photo manipulation frames. So let me show you how. So for example, this one. So first of all, we start from a good one. So for example, this one. So this is a frame. Now I just click on the frame, and the frame is inserted in the design. Now I search on photos. For example, I took this photo. So I just close this tab and increase the zoom size so you can understand it better what I can do on this design. So this is the photo and this is the frame. What I do, I just click on the photo and drop it in the middle of the frame, so it is inserted in the frame. What I do next, I simply click on the frame, duplicate it, and place it in the on the right side of the design. Okay, now I again duplicate this and I place it in the left side of the design. Now what I do, I just double click it and change its my photo size, photos appearing area. So this is so this is visible. So let me adjust this. Okay, so left side is clear. Now I just adjust here too. So I again. Okay, so the photo manipulation is on this photo is complete. Now I zoom out and click the fit view. Okay, what I do now, I just select all the frames and then group them and make them bigger on the whole page. Okay, I set them in the center of the page, and I now going to change my background photo color. So I choose one of the photos color, for example this. Okay, wow. What I do next, I simply press T from my keyboard and I just write here summer, and I change its font to, for example, I use a font Satisfy and make it color white, make it smaller. Okay, and place it here. Now what I do next, simply I duplicate this and place in the bottom of the design and write here summer with Rio and Geo. For example, summer with Rio and Geo. So let me set this text. So this is a perfect, let me show you in the full page. So this is a perfect photo you can easily design in the Canva. There is photo manipulation in Canva. Okay, so in this way you can easily do photo manipulation in Canva, and you can also use other frames, another photo manipulation frames in Canva, and you create the same stunning effects that you can do in another software. So thank you so much for today's video. I hope so you like this video. Subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, comment down like this video, and share with the one who want to learn free Canva course. So this is all about today. Thank you so much from Saqib Iqbal Digital. Have a very good day. Remember me in your prayers. Thank you.